So COLORSHOT asked me to partner with them and create a really fun paint pour project using their Satin finish acrylic paints. The first step is to lay something down to protect the table from getting paint on it, because this can get really messy. The next step is to choose your canvas. I had these adorable heart-shaped canvases and thought this would be the perfect time to use them. And of course you're going to need your COLORSHOT acrylic paints handy. So the first thing I did was pour the colors of the rainbow straight from the tube in a kind of layered pattern. And then I kind of let gravity do its thing, and I lifted the canvas at a bunch of different angles to let the paint spread all over the canvas in an abstract way. For the second pour painting, I decided to try and mix a little bit of water with the acrylics to see what effect that would have. The colors I chose were summer inspired, like pinks, blues, orange, and yellow. It was a lot drippier than the straight out of the tube acrylics and had an amazing mixed effect on the canvas. And for the third painting, I tried mixing watered down acrylics with the acrylics straight from the tube to see what kind of effect that would have. It worked really well. I definitely recommend trying out different experiments with water and paint. I let it dry overnight, and the next morning they had all completely dried. They turned out really marbled and psychedelic looking. I haven't really done much paint pouring before this, but it was a really fun and easygoing process. Huge thank you to COLORSHOT for sending me these awesome paints. I'll definitely be using them in the future. And thanks COLORSHOT for inspiring me to try out something new.